this talk is it's not very interesting, but we want just to.
Don't kill yourself like that.
We are user of Debian, and we just explain our project with the Debian, comment dire, l'ensemble. Je sais plus. L'écosystème Debian en fait qu'on a. This is our Debian ecosystem in our infrastructure. Our goals is to provide internet access with net neutrality. So we need to make some choice with material on the software. Another goal is an easiest maintenance and administration, stability, and the cost efficiency, and if possible, low energy. In our infrastructure, we have 2 physical servers for production and 2 for testings. Actually, there is just 1 server which is on, because for environmental choice. We use Proxmox as an operating system. We have some LXC containers, and the Proxmox is a Debian base.
Yes, it's based on Debian.
Yes, and all of our system work with LXC. This is a choice because with our first server, this is a very low CPU, RAM, and we cannot have a virtual machine on. This is too much. And LXC is the very best choice between some servers. Comme ça, it's easy. Why we chose Debian? Because this is free. We cannot do net neutrality without transparency. So it's impossible with some proprietary router. Sorry. There is a big community, and this is community driven. This is not by an enterprise, and we don't subir les choix d'une entreprise. Oh, I don't know in English.
They want to bear the choices of a company for their system.
Yes. And this is a very good stability and no cost, because Swiss Neutral Net, this is a not-for-profit association. So for us, it's better. And we don't have physical router or appliance. This is in case of.
We have we have a virtual router, so we don't have a hardware router. And the advantage is we have everything virtualized.
And it's easy. It's easiest if your router or appliance crash. Comme ça, it's a problem because it's physical. With Debian, it's only software, and we can take another server in the world, and we can put it in data center, and let's go. And we want to thanks all person which contribute to Debian, because without that we cannot create our project on this infrastructure. Voilà, it's all.
Okay.
How
Questions?
many people are
Je te laisse peut-être répondre.
Yeah, I wonder how many people are involved in your project right now?
So the association count about 30 or 40 members.
30.
Yeah, 30 actually.
30 members.
Members. And on the technical side, we are about 3 people. We are investing in the technical part. And in the committee, yes, I think we say this.
Yes, committee, yes.
We are 4 person, actually.
Okay, yes?
How do you cope with DNS censorship in Switzerland, which is not that neutral at some points?
Yes, I didn't understand really the question.
Can you repeat?
In Switzerland, many ISPs are obliged to censor DNS. So they like the law about casinos outside Switzerland and stuff.
Oh yes, I understand what you. Yes, it's a big question about the new lord of the yes for the casino and everything like that. It's a big question on our side for now. For now, we didn't implemented anything for that, but in long term, it's a question that we need to think about and
to list net neutrality.
Yes. It's not an easy question to answer because we don't want to apply this, but the Lord oblige
la loi force
to apply
yes, but there is a
restriction.
There is a law for money game and to prevent some addictive players to c'est juste hein, c'est la loi sur les jeux d'argent.
Yes.
To access comme ça, some ESP need to blacklist with DNS. This is a legally problem for us, but voilà. It answer to your question? Okay.
Thank you very much for sharing your talk with us. I think it's very important what you are doing, because neutrality in internet nowadays is very important and always has been very important, but we need to take care about most as possible due to the situations that have been taking place, for instance, in United States or in other countries. So it is great that you have shared this with us and with Debian. What besides Debian, which other free software projects are you using to run Swiss neutral? Which other programs or free software?
Which software are we running with Debian? Yes. For the routing, we use FRR routing, which is a fork of Quagga, which is a router.
BGP.
For BGP.
Router.
And for now, we actually provide only a VPN connection, and for this we use OpenVPN. And for the more for our infrastructure, for the user management, and for the website and everything like that, we use YUNOhost, which is a distribution based on Debian, which is made for self-hosting, but it could also be used for this, because It's really easier to install some application like a forum or a website or everything like that. And for the member management, we use Coin, which is made from some internet provider in France. And yes, I think it's
all.
and yes, for the DNS resolver, we use Unbound.
Thank you very much for your presentation. We are out of time, so we are going to
Yes.
move on to the next talk. Thank you.
Thank you.